Everybody knows Jeep is spelled J-E-E-P, and everybody knows that those stand for just empty every pocket, because you're going to spend a ton of money customizing your Jeep. So let's walk about and take a look at some custom Jeeps that have everything, probably including the kitchen sink, attached to them. This is the sleeper Jeep. If you have a family that wants to sleep in a Jeep, these guys have it figured out. You've got a tent on top. You've got an air mattress that fills up the bed for the shorter people. Or maybe you can sleep diagonally if you're 6 feet tall. And of course, up high, away from the predators, you've got your tent strapped to the top. You got gas, you got water, you got sonic electronic ball busters, and then here you've got another one. So if you want to sleep another kid in the back, they've got inflatables for the back, and that is how you sleep in a Jeep. So just empty every pocket. I figure if you're going to spend 50 grand or 60 grand on the actual Jeep, you're probably going to spend another 50 on all kinds of swaggy things. Tents on top, camouflage paint job, put a razor on top of your Jeep, so if your Jeep breaks down, you have a second Jeep style vehicle to get away from predators in once your Jeep fails. I can't see anything there. What? I can't see the Jeep. It's invisible. I see tires, but I don't see anything else. Mystery. What's this International Scout or Ford Bronco doing in the video? I don't know. Oh, that is a Scout, right? Not a Ford Bronco. You can certainly empty every pocket into one of those as well. So there you go, Jeepsters. If you don't have every piece that you see in this video on your Jeep, you're just not trying hard enough, and other people are better than you. So just empty every pocket, and if your pockets are empty, go make more money and pimp that ride.